The dog field. 40 dog breeds in one English story for beginners. He walked the same path every morning. Across the road. Through the gate into the open field. The grass was wet. His boots left a trail. The sky was low and gray. He saw a golden retriever by the pond. Old and slow, loyal to his owner. A Labrador came running behind. Big tail, wet tongue. A German shepherd waited near the tree line. Alert. Watching, not barking, just watching. Two beagles chased something he couldn't see. Noses down, ears flapping. No leash, no plan. He passed a woman holding a poodle. It wore a pink coat, clean and proud like a dancer. A man on a bench held a bulldog on his lap. It snored. Heavy, warm. It didn't want to walk. That was fine. A dachshund trotted by. Legs short but full of pride. It moved fast. Determined. Like it had a job. In the corner of the field, a boxer jumped in circles. High energy, never tired. Its owner threw a stick again and again. A pair of chihuahuas shook inside a stroller. Tiny, eyes wide. Nervous but curious. A young girl walked a cocker spaniel with a red ribbon on its ear. Soft fur. Happy tail. It liked the smell of flowers. Near the hedge, A border collie herded nothing. It made wide circles. It needed purpose. A Rottweiler stood near the fence. Calm. Strong. Some people stepped away. But it only watched. It meant no harm. A Great Dane walked slowly beside an old man. The man leaned on it sometimes. They moved together, like one being. A Shih Tzu barked at the wind. It wasn't afraid, just loud. It wanted attention. A family tossed a ball for a Dalmatian. It ran fast. Spotted legs flying. It loved to chase. That was its joy. A husky howled once and stared at the sky. It missed the snow, missed the cold, but it made do. A Doberman ran next to a bicycle. Lean, sleek, built for speed. The rider never looked back. He knew the dog was there. Near the tree stump, a French bulldog sniffed a leaf. Then sat down. It had seen enough. A boy held a leash tied to an Australian shepherd. The dog wanted to run. The boy just smiled and held on. A pair of mastiffs blocked a narrow path. Big heads. Bigger hearts. They didn't move. He walked around them. A bichon frise danced in the tall grass. White, round like a little cloud. A Weimaraner stared at ducks on the pond. Silver coat. Still as stone. A Basenji climbed a log. Quiet. Curious, like a cat. An Akita stood alone. watching the wind. Loyal to no one but its own. A Bernese mountain dog pulled a wagon with kids. Strong legs. Gentle face. A Samoyed smiled in the sun. White fluff, joy in motion. A lean whippet ran laps. Quiet pause. Quick turns. All grace. A cane corso stood beside a tall woman. Muscular, steady. Guarding. A Staffordshire Bull Terrier chased a butterfly. It missed every time. It didn't care. A young man trained a Belgian Malinois. Sharp eyes. Quick moves. It lived to work. A Havanese rolled on its back. Small, silly, full of joy. A Newfoundland sat in the shade. Tongue out. At peace. A proud papillon walked on a blue leash. Big ears, big attitude. A slow St. Bernard followed two children. Gentle steps. Watchful eyes. A Scottish Terrier barked at a kite. Stubborn and serious. A tall Irish setter chased shadows. Its coat glowed red in the light. A Tibetan Mastiff watched from a hill. Like a lion. Quiet and still. A fluffy Pomeranian barked at a leaf. Full of drama. Full of life. A Yorkshire Terrier peeked out of a backpack. Its eyes saw everything. A woman brushed her Lhasa Apso near the bench. Long hair, long patience. He watched it all. He didn't own a dog. Not now. But he remembered. He once had a setter. long ago. Red coat, kind eyes. Gone now. He still walked the field. He still looked. The sun broke through the clouds. The air warmed. Birds flew low. A light breeze moved the tall grass. He walked back home slowly. Past the pond. Past the gate. Past the dogs. His boots were muddy. His heart was full. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps our channel grow and lets us bring you even more speaking drills.